Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you some delicious fried plantain fritters. Without wasting time, let's just get started. For this recipe, you're gonna need ripe plantains. I mean very ripe plantains. When it starts getting dark, you don't need to throw them away. It's very useful. So I'll just go ahead and peel them. Next, I'll cut them into smaller pieces. I'll come in with my hand blender and blend everything up till I attain a very smooth mixture. I'll pour the blended plantain into a big enough bowl. Rub in with some ginger powder, garlic powder, black pepper. I'll grate in some nutmeg, salt to taste, and I'll give it a very good mix. I'll sift in some white flour. Here I'm using about 150 grams. Then I'll come in with some onion flakes to add some extra flavor. I'll leave this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I'll put a pan on medium flame and come in with some oil. When the oil is hot enough, I'll come in with my mixture using a spoon. I mean, if you want them bigger, you can use a bigger spoon, but they cook faster when they're smaller. So after they start turning brown, they're ready and you need to get them out of the hot oil. Leave them on some kitchen towel to suck any excess oil. Our plantain fritters are ready. You definitely need to give this a try. If you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.